Hi, I'm Kat from TELUS. Is your device unexpectedly disconnecting from the internet in your home? In this video, I'm going to be describing a couple common reasons why this situation might be occurring and the solutions. Try restarting to restore connectivity. Sometimes a device just needs to be restarted to restore connectivity. There are a few reasons for this, but it's pretty common for a modem that is misbehaving to start working again by simply unplugging it for 30 seconds. Then plug the power cord back in and give it a moment for it to restart. Your wireless devices should all automatically reconnect once it's been restarted, so it's a very easy first step to take. If you're still having connectivity issues after that, try restarting your computer, smartphone, or tablet and see if those were contributing factors. If the issue persists, try restarting any other networking equipment that might be interfering with your connectivity. Once this has been done, it's fairly safe to say if the issue persists, it's not due to the devices needing to be restarted. Update your wireless settings. Connectivity issues can also be a result of the wireless settings on your phone or computer. I usually start by turning off the Wi-Fi for a few seconds and then turning it back on. If that doesn't work right away, I use the Forget Network option on my device and then reconnect. When you do this, the old settings are forgotten and you're back in business. In this video, we covered fixing your internet disconnections by restarting modem and associated products, as well as updating your wireless settings. There are a few other factors that could be hampering your connectivity, but I'll describe those in part 2 of this video. I'm Kat from TELUS. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.